morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
About 24% of crude oil production and 18% of natural gas output in the US Gulf of Mexico was shut in response to Hurricane Helene, the US Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement said. Oil and natural gas production losses fell for the second consecutive day after reaching a peak of 511,000 barrels on Wednesday. Investor hopes for a soft landing for the US economy will be put to the test next week as the government releases closely watched labour market data following a series of disappointing jobs reports. Wall Street's benchmark S&P 500 index is up 20% year to date, near a record high, and the index is on track for its strongest January to September performance since 1997. Treasury yields and the dollar fell while the Dow registered a record closing high as a subdued US inflation report lifted expectations of an outsized interest rate cut at the Federal Reserve's November policy meeting. A global stock index also reached a record high, helped by China's stimulus boost, and European shares posted an all-time high close.
And now let's review today's major economic events.
Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT, Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 12 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.